All right, what's up, guys? So, again, we are here at Lake Las Vegas today. We're checking out these houses built by Lennar. Right behind me is the Antoinette model. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2,668 square feet. It's priced just under 700,000 at 698. So let's go inside. Let's check this out. All right, let's enter this bad boy. So again, 3 bedrooms. 2 of them are going to be directly to our left here. So let's go ahead and enter this first one here. So as you notice, 10-foot ceilings makes these rooms feel way more spacious. We got the Jack and Jill style bedrooms here. Walk-in closet on the first room here. A lot of space there. Let's go and check out this bathroom. So you got the dual sinks. You're going to have the main bathroom on the left side. And you got the fiberglass tub shower combo. So again, nice finishes, nice cabinets. Let's check if they got the soft close. Yes, they do. All right, move on to bedroom 2. So I like how spacious these bedrooms are. Again, with the 10-foot ceilings. This is about a 12 by 14 bedroom space. No walk-in closet, so you saw the 6-panel sliding doors there. But again, it's a queen-size bed that's in here, and there's still a lot of space from the foot of the bed. So to the right, when you enter, you're gonna have your laundry room. Lots of room here. Inside, you're gonna see this smart panel, so that's where you're gonna have, the modem. That's gonna be the door to the garage. To the left is gonna be the powder room. Very nice. Got a little coat closet here. All right. Beautiful living space here. Got your dining area right here, right to the right. Your main living area. Kitchen on the left with a massive island. I am liking this so far, what I see. So, nice thing about Lennar is you're gonna have your fridge, washer, dryer, beautiful cabinets here. This color has actually been really popular. I've been seeing this a lot. Got the Calcutta quartz countertops. Huge pantry, huge. So we got about 4 or 5 shelves here. You could really add another shelf if you really wanted to. Doing so kind of helps maximize all that space you'll have in the pantry. So again, really nice cabinetry. You got the shaker cabinets here. But check out this view right from the kitchen. Lots of space, super open. Again, I like these finishes. You got a nice sink here, a nice faucet. And then right here, you've got a nice little eat-in kitchen area. So having this added space gives you that much more space for entertaining. So if you like to have a lot of friends or family over, you've got a little space there for them to hang out, and the main dining area, and of course walking here you got your main living area. So let me give you a quick pan of this living area. You can notice how open this whole floor plan is, looking out into this huge backyard. They've actually got it modeled with a pool here, obviously. And of course, they've got a covered patio already built in, which helps out a lot living here in Las Vegas, where we've got sunshine pretty much almost 99% of the year. So again, you got your formal dining area right here. They've got a huge table that sits 8. So let's move on to the primary bedroom. So you'll notice there's a lot of separation between the primary bedroom and the 2 bedrooms right when we enter in. And you can see how spacious this room is. This room has a lot of windows, so it's about 2 in the afternoon, so you can see how bright and well lit this room is. Oh man, check out this bathroom. So you got his and her sinks right here, directly across from each other. You've got this huge tub right here, and then the walk-in shower. You're gonna have your toilet to the right here. Oh man, look at this closet. Look how huge this is. You can fit tons of space right here. And look, it even has your own hookup for your own washer and dryer, so you don't have to go to the other side to do your laundry. How cool is that? So again, this is a huge house, 2,668 square feet, single story, 3 beds, 2.5 bath. HOA is going to be about $280. So again, if you're interested in this home or maybe another plan in this community, I'll have the information on this specific home down below along with my contact information. And if you'd like to see any of these homes, definitely give me a call soon as possible. All right, guys.